Hello everyone. Welcome to a new tutorial series which is about Photoshop. We are bringing our 2 decades of experience in UI UX and web technologies and crafted this interactive Photoshop series especially for design enthusiasts like you. Photoshop is a very advanced tool to edit your photos, creating graphics for your ads, enhancing colors of your images, creating and optimizing images for your website, and lot more. Though Photoshop itself is a deep subject to learn, we have categorized it to make it easy to learn. There is no specific sequence of what to learn first and what to learn later, but we have categorized chapters in such a way that you can master Photoshop, that is your journey from beginner to expert. Let's start with Photoshop. Before starting directly with Photoshop, we need to learn about the basics of graphics, colors, resolution, and other important things, which will be very much useful during the learning process. Let's start with an important topic called graphic types. There are generally 2 types of graphics. First one is raster and second is vector. There are tools to work on a single or both kinds of graphics. Photoshop is a tool to work on raster images. Raster images are made up of pixels and store information of each pixel by pixel in the image. File dimensions are calculated in pixels and limited to that dimension of image. If you try to zoom, enlarge the image, it will become pixelate. Whereas vector images are storing all numerical parameters based on the objects created in the file. It is not based on pixels and also known as resolution independent graphics. No matter how much you zoom or enlarge it, but it never gets pixelate. Both graphics can have their own benefits and limitations. But to be specific, if you want to work on photographs or images to edit, you can choose Photoshop or any raster image editing software. And if you want to create a logo or some artwork for brochure or publishing book kind of work, you need to work on vector image editing software like Illustrator or CorelDRAW. I will categorize the sections in smaller segments so it's easy to learn, easy to digest, and you can practice. So now let's talk about the relative questions. The question is, what is the difference between vector and raster images? Vector images are based on numerical parameters and also known as resolution independent graphics, whereas raster images are made up of pixels and limited to number of pixels.